Hi everyone, it is an okay day outside today. And I'm going to show you some things something that you can do at your house with a few things you might already have at your house on an okay day like today. See, I have this yardstick with a cup on the end of it. And then I found this jar, which I think used to have mayonnaise in it. And I have some ping pong balls, but anything that'll fly through the air will work. And you can go out in your yard and you can make them go flying through the air with just these few items. I'll show you what I mean. Just hang on. Okay, I'm going to put the jar down. It's called a fulcrum, and it's what this is going to rotate on. I'll rest it on there. Put my ping pong ball in the cup and watch what happens. Whoa. I don't even know where that went. I'm going to have to find it later. I just made a catapult with things in my own closet. So you can do the same thing and have a lot of fun, I promise. That was pretty fun. It's probably more fun to do it than to watch. So, and then once you do that, you can try different things. You can try a different fulcrum. You can try moving the fulcrum. You can push harder or faster or not as hard. Or you can try it with your foot or with your hand and see how far you can get those balls to go. I'm going to go try a couple more. Are you ready? Okay, wait here. I'm going to try this. See, that one went differently. Now what happens? They move it up here. What do you think is going to happen? That one didn't go as far, did it? But what if I move it down here? What do you think will happen? You ready? You'll try it this way. See if this works. I've never tried this before. Whoa, that one really worked. Okay. I can't spend all day out here doing this. I have to go back to work, but you can go outside and have some fun for a while with your catapult. And this is actually the last video I'm going to make because we're going back to in-person story times. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have a lot of fun. And I will hopefully see you in person at the library sometime. Bye.